Management reports in QuickBooks Online let you quickly create reports that provide an overview of your company's finances. Management reports include a cover page, a table of contents, and other specific reports you can select, like the profit and loss statement and balance sheet, found by default in the Company Overview Management Report. There are three management report templates available in QuickBooks Online Plus. These are the Company Overview, Sales Performance, and Expenses Performance templates. Each report shows information about your company with a professional layout. To view the Management Reports page in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Reports button in the navigation bar, and then click the Management Reports link in the menu that appears. Alternatively, click the Management Reports link in the Reports and Analytics bar if that bar already appears on screen. To quickly view a management report in QuickBooks Online, click its Report Period dropdown to select a report date range. Then, click the Preview link under its Action column to open the management report as a PDF within the Print or Save as PDF window that opens. To print the management report, click the Print button in the toolbar at the top of the PDF preview. Alternatively, to download the management report as a PDF, click the Save as PDF button at the bottom of the window. To close the window, click the Close button within it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.